A service level agreement, or SLA, is a legally binding agreement between a client and a supplier that outlines the expected level of service. Customers will be eligible to receive compensation such as financial or service credits when a service level is not fulfilled and they fulfill their duties under the SLA. A service level indicator, or SLI, is a metric that shows the level of performance that a consumer is receiving at a particular moment. An SLI could be reliability, efficiency, throughput, latency, error rate, durability, or accuracy. The service level objective, or SLO, is the objective that the provider has committed to achieve. SLOs are represented as a particular goal percentage over time. If you are a business that sells any product or service to your customers and assures them about your product capabilities, then you should draft your SLI, SLO, and SLA now. These service level metrics would help you gain customers' trust and improve your system reliability and performance. As a service provider, you should start by coming up with key performance indicators that measure your product's performance, which forms your SLIs. Remember, these are a direct measure of your system's behavior in every stage of your business. Secondly, you have to set targets of availability for achieving these indicators, which form your SLOs. This is a completely data-driven phase where you have to accumulate the data from customer queries, stakeholders' expectations, find the insights, and finalize the target threshold values to achieve better reliability. As the final step, you should create your SLA. Here you have to list out the reliability values and help them understand your product's capabilities. Thus, SLIs are the foundational blocks that help in building SLOs, which in turn helps with overall reliability mentioned in your SLA. Here are some of the SLAs you will find for the GCP services that you will be working with and accessing. With the flexible and scalable Google Cloud customer care services which were developed for your business needs in the center, you can simplify and streamline cloud technical support. These are the support plans provided by GCP. Depending on the package that you can get different levels of support from the Google Cloud Platform. Active Assist is a collection of intelligent technologies that helps you manage your cloud operations, with recommendations to cut expenses, boost performance, strengthen security, and even assist you in making more environmentally friendly decisions. Active Assist's portfolio will help you with 3 key activities: making proactive improvements to your cloud with smart recommendations, preventing mistakes from happening in the first place by giving you better analysis, and helping you figure out why something went wrong by using intuitive troubleshooting tools. With Active Assist as your sidekick, these tasks become simple and fast, helping you shift your time from administration to things like innovation. Cloud Support API can be used for integrating cloud customer care with your organization's customer relationship management or CRM system. The Cloud Support API enables users to complete various support tasks directly in your CRM, including creating and managing support cases, listing, creating, and downloading attachments for cases, and listing and creating comments in cases. This is how the Cloud Support API works. The endpoints are exposed in customer solutions or clients, and then the developer integrates their solution with the available data endpoints. And then it moves to the Cloud Support API endpoints and then to the database. Complex troubleshooting may be needed when managing your cloud investments with numerous cloud providers and applications. In order to assist you in resolving multi-vendor difficulties such as organization setup, configuration, and troubleshooting, Cloud Customer Care offers third-party technology support. The customer care team works with you to resolve problems in collaboration with partner support connections. Customers that have enhanced support or premium support have access to third-party technology support. There are 3 approaches to delivering third-party technology support: collaborative support, workload-centric support, and third-party support. You receive the support approach according to the customer care team's relationship with the third party and your support relationship with the third party. The Technical Account Advisor service offers both proactive guidance and reactive support. This service helps you optimize and enable your cloud strategy and operations while guiding you through the Google Cloud onboarding process. It assists onboarding to get you started with enhanced support and configure your Google Cloud operations. Best practices and further assistance for your most important cases, including suggestions for case escalation and proactive monitoring. Reviews that monitor your operational health throughout the Google Cloud on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis will make recommendations for how to use enhanced support more effectively. Customized training programs and pathways recommended for your organization. For environments that are crucial to an organization and have a big impact on operations when disrupted, mission-critical services evaluate and mitigate potential service disruptions. The Google Cloud examines your present operations to get you set up for this service before onboarding you in the Google Standard Mission Critical Operations mode. The following are part of the onboarding process: evaluating the architecture, observability, measurement, and control of your mission-critical environment, providing a gap analysis to aid with your mission-critical operations preparation, and putting your business in mission-critical operations mode to promote environment improvement through proactive and preventative participation. Following your onboarding, you get these services. For your mission-critical environments, drills, tests, and training are conducted. Incident reporting with a focus on the customer, proactive surveillance and case creation, incident management in a war room, impact follow-ups for prevention, and privileges to file cases with a 5-minute response time under priority 0. Customer-aware support is a service that gives you a head start on resolving technical issues and enhancing your premium support experience. Your TAM focuses on developing customer-aware support while onboarding your company to premium support. By learning about and keeping up with knowledge about your partners, Google Cloud projects, and architecture, customer care creates customer-aware support. With this knowledge, you can be sure that the support specialists will be able to handle your support situations quickly and effectively. With Google Cloud, operational health reviews can help you track your progress and proactively deal with obstacles to your goals. The reviews act as a regular point of contact between you and your TAM, where you may talk about a range of issues pertaining to your customer care experience, such as your cloud operations effectiveness, including support patterns, analysis of operational metric patterns, outages, escalations in cases and incidents, monitoring of active cases, and high-priority cloud project status reports. For planned peak events like a product launch or significant sales event, you can use Premium Support's Event Management service. With this service, customer care collaborates with your team to develop an event strategy and offer direction along the way. Your team will receive assistance from Event Management service with the following duties: preparing your systems for demanding workloads in crucial situations, disaster testing for proactively addressing probable problems, creating and executing a quicker path to resolution that can lessen the effect of any potential problems. After the event, your TAM collaborates with you to assess the results and offer suggestions for subsequent events. Contact your TAM to start the event management service for a forthcoming event. You can provide users in your company training credits for the Google Cloud Skills Boost when you purchase premium support. Your TAM identifies opportunities for learning and suggests the training resources that will be most helpful to your company. Your developers will have the tools necessary to quickly find solutions and test concepts in secure settings. You gain 6,250 credits for each 1-year premium support contract. Customers of premium support receive access to new Google Cloud product previews. You can get your architecture ready for a new solution by previewing it before it becomes more widely accessible to the market. Your TAM examines your Google Cloud projects and utilization in light of the objectives of your company in order to spot opportunities to try out fresh products and solutions. Your TAM will introduce you to the product team and assist you in obtaining access to the preview when they spot an opportunity. Your TAM also provides the product team with your feedback as you try the product. You can use the Google Cloud Console to request and control access to previews in addition to interacting with your TAM. You may manage which users in your organization have access to previews and track the status of your requests via the Cloud Console. You are given a designated technical account manager as a premium support customer. Technical account managers, or TAMs, are dependable technical consultants who concentrate on your organization's operational rigor, platform health, and architectural stability. You will receive the following help and direction from your technical account manager. They will help you get started with premium support. They will evaluate your cloud readiness and collaborate with you to develop an operational model and adoption roadmap. They will provide guidance on the best ways to use Google Cloud. Regular operational health reviews will be delivered. They will connect you to Google product managers and support specialists who are technical experts, and they will collaborate with you on case escalation and support cases. Your TAM examines the incident and determines underlying causes in high-priority cases. You can purchase more value-added services if you need more help, such as a dedicated TAM service, which is a high-touch service provided in the customer's area to foster a long-lasting relationship with them, or a multi-TAM service, which is a service provided in collaboration by several specialized TAMs and intended for a large, complicated, or international organization.